shows been going for maybe about 45 minutes or 30 minutes, so.
Like, I doesn't know anything, but I just wish they could hear, you know? Like, nobody even that. Why hear it? Oh, he gets found back.
Hey, Russell. We got a lot of toys here. What a cool problem to have.
Too many toys?
Exactly. Dude, thank you so much.
No problem, man.
I know, isn't this crazy?
Bro, this is amazing! These kids are gonna be freaking so excited. Any of these Subarus? This better not be a Corvette. Oh my goodness. To the kid that gets this, don't buy a Corvette, okay?
Guys, thank y'all so much for coming out and supporting. We've never had this many toys to donate, and y'all just made a lot of kids' Christmases. Well, we're on the way to Dill City. Drop the toys off. Cars are looking great. Right. All right, we're at Dill City Hall. Just rolled up. Toys all lined up.
So I'm here that these Studebaker
run almost as good as Studebakers.
Just some of them.
I'm in the Studebaker Club. So.
Well, if they ever want to get outran, you know where to go.
Yeah, just about anybody. A fast horse. How are you?
Good to see you.
Yeah. Go online and vote for their favorite decoration. It's a pretty stiff contest right now. They're competing for the Christmas Cup. The Christmas Cup is a trophy that I've had made at Midwest Trophy. It stands about this tall, and it's a perpetual trophy. Every year, the winning person or group's name gets put on the cup, and then they get to display it for a year in their building.
That's awesome. That's so cool.
Yeah. The police department has a magnificent display on 29th Street. You guys haven't seen it. The fire station always looks great. And this is the first time we've done City Hall like this.
That's awesome. It looks amazing. It does.
So I want to introduce Jim Studebaker. Jim Studebaker is with Toys for Tots. How many children how many applications for children?
So far this year we have over 13,000.
Applications for toys.
That's for Toys for Tots, and I know regionally there's a lot more demand in the whole area.
But we really appreciate you guys coming out and bringing these toys and just supporting the effort for the needy kids. It's great. You guys are great.
I think you've lost your office for a few weeks, boy.
That's okay.
See ya.
Bye.